Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 33 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to build my portfolio to $25,000 in the first 2 years of investing. And right now the stock market is a little bit insane. On the day right now, it's only 9:58. The stock market's only been open for about 28 minutes, and we're down $37. Now, if we go to the week and month charts, this is going to be a little bit crazy, but actually the last week we're up $37, which is a little bit surprising. And then now the last month we're down $484 or 3%. In the last 3 months we're down about 3% as well. But as we go to the all-time, we're still up about 7.53%. So as you can see, the last little bit here of the chart, lots of volatility in the markets. But again, because we're down with stocks, this is a perfect time to buy the dip. We're going to buy the dip of two main ETF holdings because the stock market it's a little bit shaky right now. A safe play is to just buy into ETFs because with the money you're investing into these ETFs, it's very broad. So if one or two companies kind of dip down a little bit further than others, you're not losing too much. So at the end of the day, we're going to be buying back into two of our main ETF holdings. And if you guys have been following the channel, you know what those are. As we scroll down, we can go through total value just to see how many shares of each stock I'm owning for the current portfolio. And as we scroll down, we're going to buy 2 shares of VFV. As you can see, all time down on VFV. So the US stock market is really taking a big hit right now. But again, we're going to take advantage of that, buy the dip, and hopefully eventually those stocks will kind of build back up to their values from before. So we're going to buy 2 shares here of VFV. Again, we deposited $400 into the account again every 2 weeks. We're getting to a point where maybe in the next couple months or so we'll up that $400 to a little bit higher. So those two went through perfect, and now we're going to try to buy about 4 shares if possible of VDY. So again, another one of my main ETF holdings with a great dividend yield. I really like this company, and you know what? We might even have enough for 5 shares. Not quite. Okay, so we're going to buy 4 shares of VDY. Confirm that. So just to kind of a recap for you guys, again, we bought 4 shares of VDY, 2 shares of VFV. As we scroll back to the top, we can see the portfolio is still up about 7%, so $848. And last time I promised you guys that I would tell you the total dividends earned from this portfolio. So just so you guys get an idea of if I have $12,200 invested, this is how much I'm going to make if you're following similar stock protocol that I did. So total, I've made about $247 in dividends. Again, I've been investing for about a year and a half now. And last month was my highest dividend income, and I made $32.53 just solely in dividend income last month. So again, these numbers are slowly starting to climb up, which is amazing. And eventually, when we build our portfolio and max out the TFSA, those dividend income, that dividend income will be so great moving forward. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, if you liked the video, then give me a like, give me a comment. What stocks are you guys buying during the dip? If you haven't already, link in the description for Wealthsimple Trade, link in the description for Shakepay. You get a little bonus if you use the codes down below. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.